An eagle has the longest lifespan of its species. It can live for 70 years. But to reach this age, the eagle must make some hard decisions. In its 40th year, its long and flexible talons can no longer grab prey, which acts as food. Its long and sharp beak breaks. The feathers become old, thick, and heavy. The thick and heavy feathers stick to its chest and make it difficult to fly. Then, the eagle is left with two options: die or go through a painful process of change. The change process requires the eagle to fly to a mountaintop and sit on its nest. Then, the eagle bangs its beak against a rock until it plucks it out. Then, the eagle will wait for a new beak to grow. Whilst it does that, it plucks out its talons. When the new talons grow back, the eagle starts plucking out its heavy and thick feathers from its chest, and once this is done, the eagle takes its famous flight of rebirth and lives for another 30 years. Why is that change needed?